Hi, welcome back to Everyday Race. Now, if you got a older Ranger, you probably have the same problem as me. And that problem drives me crazy. Every time I drive, my truck sounds like this. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the problem. But first, let's identify the problem. The reason your truck sounds like that is because your doors are loose, and that's because of two things. The rubber seal around the door gets old and wear out, and then you got one bump stop right here, and you've got another one on the bottom of the door right over there. They get dried up. Now you can fix this problem by putting some double-sided tape right in this area and right in this area where the bump stop hits the frame or the cab of the truck, or you can fix it for free. Now let me show you how I do that. Now all I'm going to do is I'm going to move this striker closer to the inside of a truck, and that would make the door sit tighter and smoosh the bump stops and the rubber seal. So for that, first I'm going to mark original position. You can use a marker, or you can use some kind of scratching tool. Next, we're going to need some tools. Now we're going to need a ratchet, T40 Torx bit, there we go, long flathead screwdriver, and a hammer. Now the procedure is pretty simple, but it requires some patience. So first we got to loosen up these two bolts. I like to do 90 degrees. 1, 2. And I use a hammer, a flathead screwdriver. Tap it just slightly. Next, I tighten back up. Flathead screwdriver right here. That will stop the striker from rotating like that. So just put some pressure. And next we're going to check the fitment. Still slight movement, so I'm going to repeat the process. Until I like the fitment. There we go. Here we go. Tighten back up. Let's check it again. Perfect. So this door required maybe 1.5 millimeters to move back that way, and the fitment is perfect. Now if you go too far, it would take a lot more force to slam the door. Right now it's perfect. So now all we have to do is go for a drive